thank you for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video we'll have a look which roof option looks better. We go with a classic black roof or we go customized, in this case bronze roof. This one here came like that from the factory. It's the gas model GT fully loaded Outlander, and it came with this roof from the factory. I love the silver color, especially with these side moldings. Man, this looks like $1,000,000. Very sharp looking vehicle. Now if we look at the other one, this one is a PHEV black. We did some visual upgrade on that as well, and this is how it turned out. So, and one of the things we decided, because we had 22-inch wheel, you know, these bronze wheels, we upgraded with the bronze roof as well. So this is how it looks compared to the black one. We also painted the roof rails black, so on the factory looks it's silver, but this is how it looks. Let's have a little bit closer look on this one here. So I really like how this wrap looks, and especially if you have you know, the sun versus shadow, it just looks a little bit different. So we wrapped it the same sort of way how the factory would do it, except obviously this one is not factory done. This is something that we did. And then this is how the factory looks. So leave a comment which one you like better, the factory looks with black or something custom like this. So it's kind of cool that Mitsubishi now is adding these black roofs as an option. So it wasn't like that last year. This is something new. They do it at least for a Canadian market, and now you can get your vehicle like this from the factory. It looks very cool. It's been a very popular with our clients. So, but you know, if you want to do some your personal spin on the vehicle, you can also wrap the roof black like this. Oh, sorry, different colors like this. So bronze in this case. So very good looking two Outlanders. So one is gas, the other PHEV, but that doesn't matter because the story today is about the roof. I really like this bronze roof, and especially with these wheels, I think it turned out great. Even before we upgraded the wheels, with just these factory wheels, full chrome delete, and this roof, this looked very sharp. It was a very nice you know, combination. So if we look at a little bit from the front, again, this is how it looks. And then if we look at the same on the black one, this is how the black one looks. So on this one, kind of like, you know, you get a little bit more two-tone action on this particular. This one, because you have black A-pillar, just kind of blends away on that. So there we go. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Leave a comment which roof you like the best, and yeah, see you next videos.